when are we doing a refinance? Because what we're going to see is a refinance triggers new disclosures. Okay, so refinance, this occurs when you have an existing obligation, and look, it's in bold and italics here, so I'm not making this up. This is straight from the regulation. You have an existing obligation, so your legal note, right? Let's say your original contract here, right? See that original contract. Okay, if this is being satisfied and replaced by a new obligation taken by the same customer. Okay, so existing obligation satisfied and replaced by a new obligation with the same customer. Okay, that's the definition we're going to be working on. Think about it this way. I'm going to do some visuals here. All right, you have your original contract. This is your note. Okay, but you got a new agreement. Okay, maybe it's through a workout, or maybe the customer came in and they're asking for some change, or maybe, through whatever process, for whatever reason, you need to do something different. And this is your new agreement. Okay, now a modification is where you have this existing contract, but it's not going away. We are not satisfying and extinguishing this piece of paper, right? This thing is going to live on in the future. We're just going to take this new contract, everybody's going to sign it, and then we're just going to keep it, right? So maybe we're going to staple it, or we're going to fix it to the old contract, or maybe we're going to reference the original agreement and incorporate it. But either way, this is still the legal document that we're dealing with. This is just an update. Okay, that's a modification. Now we're going to talk about refinance. Refinance is a little different. Okay, we've got this original agreement. Okay, but this new agreement, this is going to, we're going to take this, we're going to tear it up. Right, it's gone. Right, this thing was dead, gone, irrelevant. We have a new agreement. This is the entire new agreement. If that's what you're doing, and I don't care what the changes are, I don't care if you call it a renewal, I don't care if you call it an extension, I don't care what it is. If you've got a new agreement that everybody's signing and the old agreement is going away, now you have a refinance. I don't care what you call it, that's a refinance by this definition, and that is going to trigger all new disclosures. Okay, so the question on everybody's mind, anytime you're changing something, the question is, what are we changing and how are we doing it from a legal perspective? Okay,